Magandang umaga, good morning sa lahat po. Live here in South Korea. We are here in the bamboo forest of Busan, South Korea. Bamboo is a symbol of resiliency. We are here attending a forum, a global business initiatives by the South Korean government on the topic on global resiliency, safety, and recovery. Now we learn here a lot of things about the changing environment, the impact of climate change, and the global warming. Dapat fall season na dito sa South Korea pero mainit pa rin. Ito po yung impact ng global warming. Now what's the lessons here? Dapat tayo daw, prepared tayo in terms of the impact of climate change. Anong gagawin? Risk assessment. Out of that risk assessment, gagawa ka ng VUCA. Vulnerability, uncertainty, ambiguity, complexity. So how complex, how ambiguous, how vulnerable we are, how uncertain we are in terms of the damage of the environment. So ano pong gagawin? Ano po ang formula? The best formula now is the convergence of human intelligence coupled with artificial intelligence and robotics. Here in Korea, they are now using robots and artificial intelligence in combating the damage of the environment and going to recovery and resiliency. Yan muna. Maraming salamat.